everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is sneak peek number 3 out of 4. If you didn't catch the first 2, go on back after you see this video. I'll post a link at the end that trails you back to the first 2. Super excited to open this for you. These will be on sale for Diamond Art Club's amazing Thanksgiving sale starting this Thursday. Now, so far, the ones that I have shown you have been square drills. This is also a square drill. You will notice the blue line and the blue box that tells you it is square diamonds. I love that you can see this just by box. Why? Because when I have them stacked up, I can't remember. Is it round? Is it square? And this tells me automatically by looking at it that it is a square drill, and I can decide, do I want to do square or not? Also on the back, for those of you who are new, it gives you the kit contents and it tells you how to diamond paint. But most of you are here to see what's inside the box, not the box itself. I will tell you, this is a Josephine Wall. I have yet to have a Josephine Wall, so I am drooling to see what is inside this box. It is a 27.6 inch by 34.2 inch, which translates into 70 by 87 centimeters. Holy Pete's, that is a huge diamond painting. Just to let you know as well, this box is shrink wrapped. It also came in an exterior box, which helps if you are in a climate, especially now that Michigan is entering its winter season. If anything is dropped off on the front stoop and there's 3 feet of snow, I know that my package is secure. Let's see what we got in here. Oh my goodness, this is huge. I will give you a hint. This is a astronomical, I know, kill me, diamond painting. All right, so you get a toolkit. People always like to know what's in the toolkit. There is a single placer, heart wax, a clear tray, baggies, a squishy. But what I have found that has been new recently, let's see if it's in this one, is the thin 4-placer. Woo! Special effect time. Here you go. Love this. Use it all the time. Amazing. So thank you so much, Diamond Art Club. I've also noticed that they upped their ante on how many baggies that they send. When I was diamond painting, when I first started, I'm like, why? Sharp tweezers. Why do they not send the same amount of bags this is for all companies, or most companies. Why don't they send the same amount of bags as there are colors? And what I learned through reading is many of the companies suggest going through and doing all the same color first. And so they feel like you don't need more than a couple baggies because they feel like you're only working on 1 or 2 colors at a time. How do you guys work on your paintings? I like to work on mine in sections versus colors. Feel that. Can you hear it? Ooh, it is so soft and silky and velvety. Oh my gosh. There's 2 sets. This is called Virgo. So this is Josephine Wall's Virgo. And look at these colors. Look at all those purples. Oh, so beautiful. And then this one has lavenders and pinks. Oh my gosh. Breathtaking. Here is the actual picture itself. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. I just want to stare at it. It's 55 colors. There are 3 ABs. Anything below a 150 is going to be an AB on a Diamond Art Club. This is a sticker, so you can cut off your DMC and then you can label your storage systems. This also can be a sticker if you want to put it on the outside of your storage system. And then they give you a little mini sticker. Look at this. And what I love about the mini sticker is that if you've purchased my book, you can use this sticker for yourself. I know, just a little shortcut in here. You can go purchase my book on rockynook.com using diamonds. You'll get 40% off, or over on Amazon if you want Prime shipping. It has tons of information, and it's just, I love it. It took me a year to write, but in the back is a logbook, and this sticker fits perfectly. So if you want to place it in here, you can then fill out your log sheet and you know what is in your stash. So definitely check that out. But that's not what you're here for. You are here to see this amazing kit. Oh my gosh. Look how big. Look at this little guy right here. Just close up. Here's your pasting area. This shows you that it is a full drill. While I'm up here, you can see the symbols are amazingly clear. It is poured glue. It goes right up to the edge, so you should not have to worry about sticking your arm in it. And this is just, look at those flowers. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when you combine an amazing artist with people who know how to chart diamond paintings. All of Diamond Art Club's paintings are hand charted. That's another reason why they don't have usually round and square, because it takes so much time to chart, and square and rounds are charted differently. Okay, so here we go. We're moving up. Look at these beautiful butterflies. Oh my goodness. It's breathtaking. Breathtaking. All right, I'm trying to unroll it for you. And you can always, because it is poured glue, you can roll it backwards and it's not going to hurt your painting. Look at that color, the stars in the air. It's just, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. And this dress, Josephine, what have you done to us? What have you done? It's amazing. And okay, so they gave us yellow, green, and white are the ABs. The white ABs are all through her dress. Trying to look and see where the ones are scattered to give you a little bit of essence here around her hair and through some of these flowers down here. And then the twos, where are you twos? It's a green color. Okay, so the twos kind of outline some of the butterflies in the green just to kind of give you that pop. Oh, and there's like, I don't know if that's a dove or a pigeon. So let's look in here. Diamond Art Club has theirs on a train, which means they're all linked together. And they also have the DMC colors here, and they also have their branding on the other side. And then I'm just trying to find the white and the green. I don't see it in this package. It's probably in this package. Yep. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. And they are going to have a really nice sale, classy sale, starting this Thursday. So please check out their site, their Instagram, sign up for their emails. So here's that white with the ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis. Here's the yellow. And there's that green. So these purples are to die for. Okay, so I hope you loved this. It is huge, it is beautiful, detailed, fantastic. I love how DAC and Josephine Wall made this a masterpiece worth doing and framing and displaying in your home or giving as a gift. So check it out. So until next time, be blessed, take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.